Me either.
And I should have did the research.
Girl, same.
I would not have went.
I was triggered in there, but.
Yes.
All right, let's do a pigeon pose. And then this one you can kind of build on. So I really love the pigeon pose, mainly because I always do legs, so my legs are always friggin' killing me. But this one you can either get more of an inner thigh stretch, like if you kind of go on top of your heel, or you can move it over to like your glute if you sit down on your glute.
I can feel it right there.
You can even build up more by adding a quad stretch into it.
I don't know if I can do that one.
But that's why I said buildable, so you can work up to it. I can barely do
I don't think I'm ready for that level.
I mean, fake it till you make it. So
yeah. I got it.
That skill last episode too, but you know, I have to dust it off when I'm feeling froggy because. Speaking of froggy, let's get this frog pose really quick. This one is a really good hip opener. So you sit just like this, and then you just kind of go forward. And that's it. You don't really have to think. Form is not really compromised no matter what you do. It's like you can't go wrong with this one.
Yeah, that feels good on my inner thighs.
And then people, they're always trying to get the splits. So anybody trying to get the splits, I recommend do the frog pose.
Do you try to go like deeper?
Yeah.